Hi guys, I'm here with my daughter, Fiona, and we are going to show you how to make peanut butter bird feeders.
Oh, no. Peanut butter. Mine.
We're going to take some peanut butter. Yes, you like peanut butter. So show them what to do. Gonna get the
Open the peanut butter.
Open the peanut butter.
Lick the peanut butter out of the jar and lick it onto the toilet paper.
We're gonna get some peanut butter on our knife here, and we have just a toilet paper tube.
Then can I eat some?
You can have some peanut butter after.
Oh, I want peanut butter now.
So we're gonna spread the peanut butter on our toilet paper.
Yummy peanut butter. Peanut butter. Me.
We're gonna spread it on. Puppies are having a good time up there.
Oh my gosh, this is hard. Oh, hi guys. Hi guys.
Puppies are here to visit.
Oh, don't go under the chair.
Hi.
Hi guys. Oh, hi. Oh, don't.
Yeah, she has peanut butter, so that's why they're want to be your friend.
Not your peanut butter. My peanut butter. Hey, I like peanut butter too.
You
guys.
do, and so do puppies.
Yeah.
And we're gonna.
Peanut butter crunch?
It's bird feeders we're making.
Oh.
It's like a toilet paper roll,
Oh.
and then you put peanut butter on
still
it.
on camera.
Yeah, that's okay.
Hey, go.
And we're gonna roll it.
We're gonna have some barking in the background.
It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna bark, or we're gonna. Yeah. Okay.
Come on, guys. Come on, girls. Dale, get down. Let go.
Yeah, we're gonna coat
Dale.
this. We have birdseed and peanut butter, so they're in their glory, I'm sure.
He's yelling in the backside.
It's all good.
Oh, they got peanut butter on the table.
That's all right. So then once it's all covered,
I'm not done.
that's okay.
Come on, Zoe. Dale.
Yeah.
Spread it. If you go lengthwise, like the length of the tube, this way, you can probably get it on a little bit more even. There you go.
That's easier.
It's easier that way.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Actually, I want to watch a little bit of TV after this
Okay, we'll see.
and eat some peanut butter.
Okay.
I love peanut butter. What color is peanut butter?
It's a brownie color.
It's
A light brown. A light browny yellow.
This is hard.
Okay.
I'm sorry that I've taken too long.
No, it's totally fine. You spread out your peanut butter.
This is gonna dry.
No, it's warm out, so it's kind of like melty.
That's why it's hard.
Mm-hmm.
Got some more to do. Just like that more.
Okay.
I'm just gonna stick those fingers in there.
Trade you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oopsie.
It'll be a treat for the puppies later.
It'll be a treat for me later.
Not on the table.
You're right.
I did clean the table, but we don't want to eat off of it.
We eat on tables all the time.
Yeah, the inside table. That looks good.
Peanut butter. Okay, now.
Okay. So now
Now spread it.
you can just plunk it right in the bird seed,
Hunk.
and then just kind of roll it back and forth to coat the peanut butter in the bird seed. You might have to press it down a little bit. That's great.
And some more birdseed, so birds like mine more than yours. I make it perfect for the birdies so they like mine.
Perfect.
More. And if birds want, they could stick their head through that.
Well, we're gonna put.
Well, they could go like.
Ooh. We're gonna grab a piece of string, and we're gonna.
I know how to do it. So.
Yeah. And we're gonna pop it through here.
Well,
that's okay. And then we'll tie it.
My string.
We'll tie it.
I don't know how to tie it.
I can help you with that. So tie it. Really 2 knots.
Don't know how to tie it.
I can help.
I didn't even tie my shoes.
It's okay. And so
The bird seed
there,
is falling
we
off.
can, that's okay. We can
Tie it,
hang it
please.
in the tree.
What tree?
Oh, the trees in the backyard here. We got
The
lots of
Christmas
trees.
tree?
That's
I
the-
got-
outside for the birds.
I'm gonna go get some peanut butter.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Well, we're just about done. So you want to say goodbye? We have our
Bye bye, friends.
bird feeders.
Whoopsie.
All right. We'll say goodbye for now, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Yummy. Peanut